Alright, last Christmas gift video. I bought my girlfriend a beautiful silver bracelet, but I didn't like the box it came in. So I went to Home Depot and I picked up this beautiful piece of poplar. It wasn't cheap, so we're gonna make a jewelry box. Since we're still back home in the old country, we're going to use my dad's miter saw and make this a lot easier. I think we're gonna make each side 4 inches on the outside with a 45-degree bevel on the inside. So we're gonna need to cut 4 pieces with 45-degree on each side. Here is the moment of truth. I'll be able to fold them up into a box. Oh yeah, what a great hold. So for the top, I accidentally cut the poplar a little too short. So I decided to make a little pine trim around the edges. I think it could come out one of 2 ways, either terrible or not bad. So we have the top done, we have the box done. Now we are applying our new finishing paste wax. Alright, now we give it 15 minutes to dry and we polish it off.